Hello everyone, welcome. So, in control and coordination, today we will learn about the nervous system. That is the human nervous system. Okay, so touching a hot object is an urgent and dangerous situation for us. And when we detect it, we respond to it by removing our hand. We know that, and all this information from environment, it is detected by special tips. There are special tips of some nerve cells. These receptors are usually located in the sense organs, such as, what are the different sense organs we have? Ear, nose, tongue, skin, then ear to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, then skin to feel, okay, and eyes to see. Fine. So these are the various sensory organs that we have, and from here there are few receptors or few nerve tips which are there. Okay, this information acquired at the end of the dendritic tip of a nerve cell sets a chemical reaction that creates an electrical impulse. So what is happening? Whenever you touch a hot body, this is a neuron that you see here. So it has got dendrons, that is here. It has got a nucleus in the middle, a cell body. The whole thing here is a cell body. It has got a long axon, and here is the axon terminals or the nerve endings. Okay, so herein the dendrons, they do have a receptor which will feel the condition, and it will get excited and it will send a nerve impulse. Okay, so there will be nerve impulse which will be sent. This impulse, they will travel from the dendrite to the cell body, and then it will reach the axon to the axon terminal. The electric impulse set off the release of some chemicals. These chemicals, they cross the gap or the synapse. So there will be another which will be coming across, and they will be going ahead. So there is a gap. This gap is known as the synapse. It is known as the synapse. Okay. Now, and they will start a similar electric impulse in a dendrite of the next neuron. So this will be continuing. Okay, so this is a general scheme of how the nervous impulse travel in the body. A similar synapse finally allows a delivery of such impulse from the neuron to other cells, such as muscle cell or glands. It is thus no surprise that the nervous tissue is made up of organized network of nerve cells or neurons, and is specialized for conducting information via electric impulse. So now how it is going on? It is going on via an electric impulse. So we have already seen a neuron. So now coming to the next diagram, just let me explain this diagram, the structure of neuron. And here is the neuromuscular junction. So you see the muscles are there, these are the dendron ends, the axon is there, so these are the axon ends which is there. Okay, so now it is going there, there is a neuromuscular function, and then it is going to travel upwards. Okay, so there are and then it will reach, and there is a mitochondria. Okay, then after that we are coming to reflex action. So how does it happen that you touch an hot object and you remove your hand? So how does it happen? Okay, so now to explain you reflex action, here you see there is a heated pan. You are touching the heated pan. What is happening? Once you touch the heated pan, there is the effector, there is the receptor over here. Here we have the receptor. Okay, so this is the receptor, and this is what we call it as a sensory neuron. So there are three different kinds of neuron which is there. One is sensory neuron. Okay, then there is a relay neuron, and then there is a motor neuron. So sensory neuron is used to sense anything that is happening, relay neuron will transmit signal from the sensory neuron to motor neuron, and then motor neuron will take the action. So it is a motor activity. Okay, so that will help to give a response to the stimuli. So there are three kinds of neuron. So say this is your sensory neuron, and this is your motor neuron, and this is your relay neuron. So what is happening from the receptor in the sensory neuron, it is going to reach to the spinal cord which is there. So you see it has reached to the spinal cord. So once it has reached the spinal cord by sensory neuron, here is the spinal cord of the central nervous system, and then here it is going through the relay neuron in the central nervous system, in the spinal cord of the central nervous system. Once this happens, it moves and it says now you need to remove your hand from there. So that is being given to the motor neuron, and which is telling your hand to get removed. So that is how basically the neurons are working. So sensory neuron is, see, it's hitting the pan. So now sensory neuron is coming. Then after that there is a relay neuron in between. A very small relay neuron is there. Just to share, this is the relay neuron that is there. And then there is the effector neurons in the muscles. It is there, which is contracting your muscles, and it is telling you that okay fine, now you need to contract or you need to move your hand. So your muscles gets contracted and thus you move your hand. Okay, so this is how the reflex action is working. So in the next video I will be talking about the human brain. Thank you.